Now we want to install ModelSim or QuestaSim. You cannot run these two software simultaneously. You can only run either one. Okay, but I will tell you how to install both software. So first, you need to download ModelSim file and the QuestaSim file from TSI. The file name is ModelSim 2025.1. This is the newest version. Then you need to extract ModelSim and the QuestaSim here. Let me demonstrate this to you. You can type TXVA ModelSim-COPTEDA. It will extract ModelSim to ModelSim directory. Okay. Then later, when you extract QuestaSim, it will extract to different directory. These two software is not the same. Basically, QuestaSim is the next version of ModelSim, and the same thing happened in ICC and the ICC2, because ICC2 is focused on advanced design process. So this is ModelSim. It extracts to ModelSim directory, and you can type TXVA QuestaSim to QuestaSim. You see, this is QuestaSim directory. Okay, so you will extract these two software into two different directories. So please download and extract these two software. Then later I will explain how to configure the software and run test, and see whether we need to do troubleshooting or not. Okay, so I will leave the control to you now.